Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal to work on the Python coding exercises. If you're new to this and you're joining in the middle, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below so you can start at the beginning if you wish. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to the arcade. We're going to go to Python. And we were in the slithering and string section. And we were on number 16 here. So is word palindrome. So we have to implement the code that's missing here where the ellipsis is. So given a word, check whether it is a palindrome or not. A string is considered to be a palindrome if it reads the same in both directions. So if it reads the same. So if it reads the same forward, so A-I-B-O, abophobia, I think that is, and reads the same backwards, A-I-B-O-H, phobia. So this one would be a palindrome because it reads the same forwards and back. Whereas this one is not a palindrome because, well, first just look at the first letter here, H. It does not end with an H, so it can't be the same forwards and backwards. Alright, so they've already given us some of the code here. So they want us to look at whether word equals word and then something in the brackets here. So basically we're going to have to take this word and we're going to have to reverse it, and that's where it'll do the comparison to see if it's a palindrome, true or false. So you've probably seen these brackets before, so you can do slicing of a word, or you can just take one specific instance of a string. So if you just put in one number, let's say 0, then you're just going to get one letter of the string. So in this case it would be the first character because Python is a 0 index, so it'd just give you A. And then if you put a semicolon, you can also slice it by several characters. So if I do 0 to 3, that'll give me the 0, 1, and 2 character. So that would give me the first 3 here, A, I, B. And then there's also a third parameter if you put another semicolon. Let's say we'll put a 2. What a 2 does is it'll give me this first character and then it'll give me the third character. It'll give me every second character, or every third if you put in a third, or etc. Now by default it'll be 1. It'll just give you 1 will just give you every character from 0 up to 3, not including 3. So what we would want, so we don't want to fill in the first 2 characters because we want the full string, so we don't need to put in slice from here to there. But what we do want is we want it to start from the end and go towards the beginning. And if we do -1, then it will start from the back and go towards the beginning. So that's what we want. And if we run it, you'll see that the tests come out correctly. Alright, I hope you guys were able to follow along with that and you learned a little bit about slicing string. And I hope you join me for future videos. Thank you very much.